subject FOD. The topic is a conversion of a binary number to the decimal. In the previous lectures we have studied about the conversion of a decimal number to binary. Today we are going to learn about the conversion of a binary number to decimal. આગળ આપણે જોયું છે કે ડેસિમલ નંબરને બાઇનરીમાં કેવી રીતે લઈ જવું. ટુડે વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ હાઉ ટુ કન્વર્ટ અ બાઇનરી નંબર ટુ ડેસિમલ. ઇન ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ you have given a one binary number and that is to be converted into the decimal. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે જોયું હતું કે તમને ડેસિમલ નંબર આપેલો હતો and that is to be converted into the binary. Now you have given a binary number and it is to be converted into the decimal. આન્સર તમારે શેમાં લઈ જવાનો છે? ડેસિમલની અંદર લઈ જવાનો છે. So we will study this using one example. The example number 1, you have given a binary number, suppose 10110. This is your binary number and it is to be converted into the decimal. અને આપણે શેમાં લઈ જવાનો છે? ડેસિમલમાં લઈ જવાનું છે. So you have to follow the step. The step number 1 is write the given number 10110. Now the second step is to start the write down 0123 from the right side. So from this side you have to write down 01234. જેટલા પણ ડિજિટ હોય ત્યાં સુધી આપણે જવાનું છે. So first write down here 0 1 2 3 and 4. આગળ હોય તો 5 6 7 8, but here we have to write here up to 4. Then exactly down to the given digit put, here is the number is given in a binary, so we have to put here 2. So put here 2 2 and 2. Now place this digit in the power. આ જે ડિજિટ છે એને આના ઘાતમાં મૂકવાના છે. પાવર મીન્સ ઘાત. સો અહીંયા 2 છે તો એની ઉપર કેટલા મૂકીશું? 0 2 1, પછી અહીંયા 2 છે તો 2 2 3 and 2 4. Now place is equal to multiply this 2. આ બંનેનું શું કરવાનું છે? મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન. So you have to write here 1 into 2 4. Okay, then put here plus. પછી કેટલા મૂકવાના છે? પ્લસ. Then again multiply this 2. So 0 into 2 3. Again put here plus. Again multiply this 2. 1 into 2 So here is a 1 into 2 Again put here plus. Multiply this 2. So 1 into 2 Again multiply this 2. Plus 0 into 2 Okay. Now what is 2 2 is a 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 is the 16. So 16. Here 2 3 is multiplied by 0. So it will be a 0. 2 2 means 4. 4 into 1 is a 4. 2 1 is a 2. 2 into 1 is a 2. 2 0 is a 1. Remember thing that 2 0 is a 1. 1 into 0 it's a 0. Okay. Now see here. Here you have given a 2 0. The meaning of 2 0 is equal to 1. Okay. It's not 0. 0 નથી. બરાબર. Many of the students write that 2 0 is equal to 0. But any value has a power 0. Its answer is a 1. Why it is 1? So we will see here. Suppose you have given a x raised to 0 is equal to 1, you have to prove. So take LHS, it's a x raised to 0. So we can write here x raised to 1 minus 1. Okay, so here x raised to 1, x raised to minus 1, x raised to 1. આને તમારે પોઝિટિવ કરવા હોય તેને ન્યુમરેટરમાં લઈ લો. So this can be discarded, so it will be 1. So any power has a any value has a power 0, then the answer is a 1. Then the answer is a 1. So what is its binary? Now make the addition. 16 plus 4 is a 20. 20 plus 2 is a 20. So what is the answer? The answer of this binary number is 22. કેટલો આન્સર મળી ગયો છે? 22 મળી ગયો છે. So this is the conversion of a binary number to decimal. We will see the next example. આપણે એક બીજા એક્ઝામ્પલથી જોઈશું કે એને કન્વર્ટ કેવી રીતે કરવાના છે. ઓકે, so see the example at here. The example number 2. Suppose you have given one another number 11101 and it is to be converted into the decimal. So follow the same procedure I have given you. So write down the digit whatever you given 11101. From the right side start writing down 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4. જેટલા પણ ડિજિટ્સ એટલા 2 મૂકી દો. So 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, place the digit in the power of 2. So here is a 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. That put here is equal. Multiply these two number. So it's a 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. Multiply these two again. Then multiply next 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 4 16, 2 raised to 3 8, 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 1 2. 2 into 0 it's a 0. 2 raised to 0 1. So 1 into 1 1. So 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 4 28, and it's a 29. So our answer is 29. Okay, see the another example. Example number 3. Okay, the example number is 3 for 1110.11. Now here you have given in the fractional number, so you have to follow the same procedure. Write down here our digits, that is 1 1 1 0 1 1. Here is the point. Okay, so from the point you have to start writing down 0 1 2 3. અહીંયા જે આપણે જમણી સાઈડથી લખ્યા હતા. Now here is the fractional number, so we have to write down from the fractional number. જ્યાં તમને point આપેલો છે ત્યાંથી તમારે 0 1 2 3 4 લખવાના છે. So put here 0 1 2 3. હવે this side the positive number, so this side will be a negative number, so we have to put here -1 and -2. Okay, પાછળ હોય તો -3 -4 -5, આ બાજુ હોય તો 4 3 5. Okay, so from the point right side put negative number, left side put positive number. So put here 2, so 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to -1, 2 raised to -2. So here 2 raised to -1, here 2 raised to -2. Now multiply these numbers. Okay, so first here is a 1 into 2 raised to 3, so put here 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0 plus, now you have to forget the point at here, you have to only sum and multiply. Okay, you have to add and multiply. So here 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2. So it's a 8, it's a 4, 2, and here is a 0. Now this is the important, you have to write here. So it's a 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. So we cannot directly multiply them. We have to convert this power into the positive. So we have to put into the numerator. આપણે એને છેદમાં મૂકવો પડશે. So it will be 1 into 2 raised to 1. Now it will be positive. 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Okay. So 8 plus 4 plus 10. So it's a 10 plus. Now it's a 1 by 2 and it's a 1 by 4. So 10, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. So it's a 10. What will be the answer? It's a 10.75. So our answer is a 10.75. Okay, so you have to remember this thing that you have given. Okay, so one thing remember that some student do like this, 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. That is wrong. Isu che khotu che. Okay, you have to make this power into the denominator and it will be converted into the positive part. એમાં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જશે, પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટની અંદર કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય. Okay, now we are going to the example number 4. You have given a one number that is 0.111 and this number is in the binary and you have to convert into the decimal. આપણે એને શેમાં લઈ જવું છે? ડેસિમલમાં લઈ જવું છે. So first here put our digit 0.111. Follow the same procedure you have given from the point 0. આ બાજુ કશું નથી તો ત્યાં સ્ટોપ થઈ જવાનું. -1, -2 and -3. So here 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to -1, 2 raised to -2 and 2 raised to -3. Multiply these two. So 0 into 2 raised to 0, 1 into 2 raised to -1, 1 into 2 raised to -2 and 1 into 2 raised to -3. It will be 0. 2 raised to 0 is a 1 but it is multiplied with the 0. So it will be a 0. Again 2 raised to -1. So put in the denominator again. So 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. So it's a 0.5, it's a 0.25 and what is 1 by 8? Calculate by yourself. It's a 1 by 8 is equal to 0.125. Okay, so it's a 0.5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 7 8. Here is a 0. So 5 plus 2 7 5. Okay, so for the addition its answer is 0.875. કેટલો આન્સર મળે છે? 0.875. You have to, in the addition you have to remember one thing that, so it's you have given 0.5, then 0.25 and then 0.125. So you have to put here extra 0. So it's a 5, 7, 8. That's why the answer is 0.875. So this is the conversion of a binary numbers. Okay, you have given. So remember this thing, how it is to be converted. Okay, again we are going to the next example. Example number 5. Okay, 101101.10. So again we have to follow the same procedure. 10111.10. start from the point 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here is minus 1 and minus 2. So here is a 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 2. Multiply these two. So here is a 1 into 2 raised to 5. When there is a 0, then it is don't need to write at here. Only one you have to write. So next is the 1 into 2 raised to 3. Next is a 1 into 2 raised to 2. Next is a 0. So don't need to write 1 into 2 raised to 0. And next 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. This is not required. Okay. So 2 raised to 5 is a 32. 2 raised to 3 is a 8. 2 raised to 2 is a 4. 2 raised to is a 0 is a 1. 1 into 1 is a 1. And here is a 1 upon 2. So 40, 44, 45. And here is a 0.5. So answer is 45.05. So you can directly write here 0.5. The one trick to remember or to know your answer easily, you have calculated that answer is a right or wrong, that will be directly you can write here. Suppose this will be answer. Suppose we will calculate this only. So it's a 1 0 1 1 0 1.10. So you have to write here, multiply this by 2 or in the next digit. So first 1 2 is multiplied by 2. So 4 is multiplied by 2. 8 is multiplied by 2. 16 is multiplied by 2. Here from the point section you have to divide it by 2. So first is a 0.5. So next will be 0.25. Next will be 0.125. Okay. So you have to divide in the fractional part and you have to multiply it by 2. Okay. So first calculate the number or add the number which has a 1. So here is a 1. So you have to add. The next has a 0. So this 16 will not be added to this. Next is a 1. 8. Next is a 1. So 4. Next is a 0. So 2 will not be added. Next is a 1. So 1. Next is a 1. So 0.25 and next is a 0. So it will be 45.50. Here is a 50. Okay. So this is our answer. You can easily calculate. You can take any number. Suppose trick to know answer. Okay. Trick, you can take any number. Suppose I will take here 1 1 1 1. Okay. This is your number. So put here 1 1 1 1. Put here 1 2 4 8. Add this, all has a 1. So add this all. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 1 15. So this is the binary of 15. You can see from the table. Suppose I will write here 1 1 1 0 1.01. Okay. So again follow the same procedure. Here is a 1 2 4 8 16. Here is a 0.5 and 0.25. So 16 plus 8 24 28 29 plus here is a 0 and it is 0.25. So answer is 29.25. But this method you cannot write in the exam. You have to write this exam. Okay. તમારે આ મેથડ તમે ડાયરેક્ટ યુ કેન વેરીફાઈ યોર આન્સર બાય ધીસ મેથડ. બરાબર. તમે તમારો આન્સર છે એને આનાથી વેરીફાઈ કરી શકો છો. બટ ઇન ધ એક્ઝામ યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ ધીસ પ્રોસિજર. તમારે આ જ પ્રોસિજર એક્ઝામની અંદર લખવાની છે. નાઉ I am giving you the homework. So first Okay, and the fourth example is so this for example you have to do on your home. So this is your homework. This is the method to remember your answer or to verify your answer, and this is the actual method you have to write. Okay, so first you have to concentrate all the methods I have given in the 5 example and the trick, and then you have to calculate this homework by your own. Okay, now in the next lecture we are going to study about the conversion of, or in the next lecture we will study about the conversion of octal number to decimal. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં શું જોઈશું? ઓક્ટલ નંબરનું ડેસિમલ કન્વર્ઝન. ઓકે, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.